Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall singer Kranium has received yet another certification in Canada. Now this time he was awarded gold for his single We Can after selling over 40,000 units. The in-charge DJ shares the news with his fans on Instagram with a simple caption, "Another plaque for the wall, #gold," end quote. We Can features Tory Lanez, a Canadian, and is now Kranium's third single to be certified gold in that country. The Late Night Jam was produced by Sakpase and DJ Marley Walters and currently has over 23 million views on YouTube. In October 2020, Kranium earned a gold single award in Canada for his hit track Can't Believe, a collab which features Ty Dolla $ign and Wizkid. Dancehall artist Popcorn is trending with his new single Levels. The track was released on Friday. Levels is trending number 16 on streaming platform YouTube with cameos from fellow artists, Ghanaian dancehall star Stone Boy and British rapper Ross Millions.
If you diss me, then you do. Regular them try to keep the melody without a tune. Everything me do, me lead by example. Big up the haters, them are me fans. So every day we level up right now, I'll squid and make young.
The track was released on Friday and is produced by Dane Records and Unruly Entertainment. Now, the American Music Awards was held on Sunday night at the Microsoft Theater in Los Angeles. The night marked Cardi B's first time hosting the show and pulling off 7 looks during the show. Okay. The American Music Awards saw big wins, including BTS sweeping all their categories and taking home 3 prizes, including Artist of the Year. Singer and songwriter Olivia Rodrigo took home the award for Best New Artist, while Taylor Swift got Favorite Pop Album for her project Evermore. Drake won Favorite Male Hip Hop Artist and Cardi B Favorite Hip Hop Song. Other winners include Machine Gun Kelly for Favorite Rock Artist, Ed Sheeran Favorite Male Pop Artist, Becky G Favorite Female Latin Artist, Kanye West for Favorite Gospel Artist. The night also featured performances from BTS delivering the single Mr. Universe and their hit Butter. Jennifer Lopez pre-taped On My Way from her upcoming romantic comedy Marry Me, among others. I am Daedran reporting for E Prime.